Today we're going to be replacing the floors, the tub, and this vanity in this bathroom, and also these baseboards that go here. The new tile was going to extend into this closet here, and the tub is going to be replaced with a cast iron shower pan that the client wants. Cast iron shower pan is shorter than this tub, so this bench is going to be extended out maybe 5 or 6 inches. And then once everything is grouted and finished, we're going to be installing a framed shower glass doors here. And there's going to be a side piece that goes above this bench right here. Once we strip this tile down to the subfloor and we prepare everything, the new floor should be a lot less thick than the current one. Here you can see the floor goes up at least like 2.5 inches. The baseboard is going to be replaced with carpenter's trim, which is just like a square edge profile. Currently it has all these grooves, which make it difficult for the client to keep these baseboards clean. So with the square edge profile, we should make things look a little bit better and also be more functional for the client. Okay, we're a day into the project. The bathroom has been fully gutted. Floors are fully exposed. Area around the tub is fully gutted. The plumbing has been roughed in preparation for this new shower pan and the new mixer as well. The new mixer valve for the shower has been installed. Since the previous fixture here was a tub, we had to remove the mixer valve and rough in one made for showers. As expected, there were 2 layers on the floor, and that created a complication with the drain line for the toilet. We had to remove the old cast iron flange, a little section of the drain line for the toilet, and add in a ABS line addition to make it a little bit shorter, because the old floor had it really high up, and with the new floors being lower, it would cause problems later on. In the next couple days, we're going to be putting down the cement board on the floors and around the shower enclosure area. We're also going to be finishing up this bench here. All the plumbing has been roughed in. The vanity didn't have much issue, except that these pipes on the bottom here, they weren't flush with the floor. They stuck out a little bit, so we had to cut those out and make sure that everything was below the surface of the floor. The plumbing for the shower pan has been completed, and of course the plumbing for the toilet has been completed. So in the next few days, we're just going to be working on installing the cement board around the shower area and on the floors, and then installing the waterproofing, the tile, and the grouting, and then the baseboards and all that, and all the finishing touches. So I'll show you guys that later. Okay, a lot of things were going on in the few weeks between when this bathroom was being worked on and when it was finished, so I wasn't able to take some more detailed videos of the whole process and such, but the bathroom got finished, of course, and I think it came out beautiful. The tile work on the floor, I like the artwork on it, I like the colors, and the client loved them as well. And here's all the little details that got put into the bathroom. Nice big vanity, porcelain sink, nice faucet. Here is a new shower area. Nice beautiful band of blue tile at the top. I think I really like this new trend of using more neutral color tile that isn't just white, and also something that's not shiny. It has kind of like a more matte finish to it. I wasn't too sure about that, but when it's all put together, I think it looks really beautiful. Guys did a great job on the miters, on the shower niches. They broke a lot of tile, but it's definitely worth it to get results like that. Made everything was nice and square. I think it came out amazing. I was able to come back here to take a video, but this new shower mixer valve that we installed, it's leaking. It's I think very strange, because it should have a new cartridge and everything straight from the factory. So I don't know what happened, but at least it gave us a chance to come back and gave me the chance to record a video here. So shower came out great. Glass guy did an amazing job as well. Client wanted non-see-through glass. Well, I guess it's see-through, but kind of hazes things up a bit. That was fine, but the little interesting detail is the client wanted a door above this bench to keep the water out. And this had to be custom made. Had to work through that one with our glass guy to get it just right, but came out perfect in my opinion. Client loved it. And all the other details in here, they speak for themselves. There's just some repairs on the walls and the ceiling, and touch-ups here and there on corners and baseboards and such, but all in all, this client was very happy and the project went off without a hitch. Oh, I guess there was a hitch with the toilet. When the floor was dropped down that low, the drain for the toilet on the cast iron stack had some issues, but after some unexpected delays working on the underside here, we were able to resolve that issue. Working with cast iron plumbing is not many tolerances are given, so you got to be really exact on how you put things together. So other small detail, the client is older and they often hit themselves on the corners of things, so we ground down the edges of this vanity so that they don't have any issues bumping themselves as well. You may have noticed that that was also taken into consideration on top here, so that when the client's coming out, they're not just have a big risk of slipping and falling and hitting themselves in the eye on the corner of that door. So when we put a bathroom together, we always take into consideration our clients' needs and we make sure we get it done for them.